Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. These are a very near dead stock pair that my friend, who goes by the name of YJ, hooked me up with. I think he wore them one time for a video shoot, and you can tell the shoes are very clean, no crazy marks on them, toe boxes on both pairs, not a crease on them, and only thing you really could tell off of these is maybe the bottoms are dirty, but I'm gonna clean that up. What's wrong with it? It's clean, man. Even the insole, it's clean, no marks on it. You can't even tell you worn it before, man. And I will be doing the voiceover. These are just some of my finishing touches here that I have for you guys.
Alright guys, so real quick, I wanted to go over the unboxing of the shoe. As you can see, you have a vintage used up box. Got the Nike newspaper that it would look like on a release day. Back then shoe was $29.99. It's crazy. So here's the shoe. Got red leather, white, black, of course the bottoms. Heel tab. So these shoes are very mint, man. Very near dead stock. You really can't tell they were used. And here we go. More red, white. So you got cracked leather on the white toe box, which you really can't tell is cracked. You got the yellow tongue with the Nike Air on the tab. Of course, these are laced in white. They also come with black laces. Got the white leather as well. It's hard to tell that's cracked, but it's cracked. So the shoe is very near dead stock, man. All stars are there. A little dirty, but I'll clean that up. Alright, let's go to the next shoe. So once again, beautiful yellow tongue, all white throughout. Some cracked on the upper, on the black part. You got some cracked leather. Nike Air tongue once again. I think the white laces really do hit on these. Very clean shoe, man. And I got it for a steal. So the bottoms are icy. You got like a age look to it. That is how it looks. So I mean, you can get these dirty all day, and really, it's not gonna make a big difference. These are a little dirty, and I will be cleaning it up. But as far as the shoe and how it looks, it's very wearable. Look at that, cracked leather. You get a steal. I got these shoes for a steal, man. $350. Beautiful back. Look at that. And since these kind of look worn already, just straight out the box, it's going to allow you to get lots of wear off of these. Very durable leather. So let me show you guys some of the paper. I want to show you guys the receipt. I'm looking for the receipt. And here we go. So Sandy Brothers, this receipt kind of shows you how the shoe would have been sold. Paid cash. Air Jordan basketball shoes. So that could have been a store back then. You got a date on there. It's an old school receipt. I love how and just so you guys see the receipt to show these are authentic. These are bought at Premium Goods here in Houston, Texas. $194.85. Crazy the difference, huh? What these could have gone for back then, and what the classic 85s are going for. And just to finish it off, I want to show you guys the actual outside of the box, the sizing. Something to look out for if y'all are legit checking. Usually the box looks used, roughed up, but really it's a brand new box. It just looks worn. It looks old. They gave it that vintage look. So I got these in a size 9. That's how the tag looks. You got like the sale sign stickers on the side of it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Go back to the review.
So I'm a little late on these. I did try hitting retail on these. I really wanted to get these for retail. I struck out hard every time. And honestly, I didn't put in the work on some of the raffles that I knew could have had them. I was real busy in December when they dropped. And I've already hit some of the other releases at the end of 2022. So I passed on these. I was looking for a good deal. And luckily my friend YJ last month was hooking it up. So I went ahead and got them. So starting off, you got the all leather upper with regular smooth leather on the red panels, and on the white panels, the toe box, the mid here, and the heel guard up here is cracked leather. These are already laced up with the white laces that come with it. They come with 2 pairs of laces. So I got some black laces that come with it. There's the ones that are already pre-laced in the Air Jordan 1. I like the white look. I'm probably gonna rock these right here. I don't have too many of my Jordan 1s with the white look on them, and I know it looks really good. Usually I have to switch into the white laces on the Jordan 1s that I have because I do like that white tongue to white lace to white toe box look that it has going vertically. I like that look, so I'm gonna just keep these like that. Man, this shoe, arguably shoe of the year last year. It is a retro. This is one of Jordan's first shoes that he played with, that was made for him. And man, it's the one that changed the game. This shoe in particular though, isn't the regular retro fit that they've done before, where they brought the Jordan 1 Chicago back. This is based off the Chicago colorway, but it's not exactly how it's been made before. It's just different in the sense that you have cracked leather throughout. This panel right here, like I said, the white here. You got the frosted, kind of like worn bottoms, soles right here. And then the tongue is a little yellowed. So as you can see, you got the white laces here and the tongue is a little yellowed out. So definitely pretty cool. It doesn't look bad at all. The touches they made on this definitely add to the shoe. They don't take away from anything at all. And it's definitely different. It's a good way to help stand out from some of the older pairs that have come out in the past. One thing I like to say is that the Air Jordan 1 Chicago had a high stock number, and yet for me, they were so hard to get. People really wanted this shoe. The resellers, man, they ate because this shoe sold out everywhere. And it's a beautiful shoe, and I really do recommend you getting a pair if you like it. Quality wise, it's all there, man. Quality's all there. The leather toe guard here is nice. I mean, smooth leather throughout. It isn't the craziest leather I've seen on shoes, but it's pretty good for what you're paying, especially if you pay retail. Those of you guys that hit retail, man, you gotta steal. I mean, the shoe's beautiful, and I just love the way it looks. It matches so many things. The red gives you that right pop on any outfit. Shoe of the year. Last year, is it shoe of the year for me? Man, it's tough. I really did like the Amamanier 4s. The Amamaniers before were different. This shoe here has been released before. Granted, it's not exactly the same as the older versions of it, but it's released before. Nothing too crazy. However, the way they marketed it, the way they try to show that the box was old and rough and tough, and everything about the shoe, it was nice. It's a nice touch. And you know what? It's definitely a good way of them retroing shoes. Us sneakerheads, a lot of the sneakerheads were kind of torn between calling it their shoe of the year or liking it. But man, personally, I love it. And I do think it does deserve shoe of the year. And I do think they hold weight over being shoe of the year to the Amamanier 4s. Now, the Amamanier 4s were nice, and they definitely had some good touches to it. They made the 4 look different. It was a new colorway. Some of the Amamanier touches were unique to that pair that they dropped. However, this shoe, for being a regular non-collab, just Nike shoe, I think it looks amazing. And man, I think the Jordan 1's not dead. Personally, I think Jordan 1 still has it. The Jordan 1 Chicago could really help reunite that Jordan 1 flame that they had in the past. And you know what? People were going crazy for these. I went crazy for these. I really did love them, but I held strong and didn't go for them when they were going for like 500, 450 bucks. Right now, I believe on GOAT and on stock, my size, they're going for, the lowest ask is 436 and the highest bid is 400. The last sale is 435. I think I got these for 350. So I mean, I saved 100 bucks there, and then that's just the lowest ask. If I click buy, we're looking at review order. you're looking at $500 all day long to buy the Jordan 1 Chicago in my size 9. So, man, the price did come down some, but these are going to continue to rise. I mean, this is a classic shoe. As long as they don't keep re-releasing it, which I doubt, I think they are going to do some shock drops to it because the demand for this shoe is high, and they did say they have a high stock number. I do think they're going to be doing some more releases. I'm definitely going to get a lot of wears from it. All my Jordan 1s get a lot of wears, and the Jordan 1s, once again, have beautiful, durable leather, great midsole. Everything about it's really good. If I had to rate this shoe at a 1 to 10, I'll definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So far, it is up there with my top 5 shoes that I have, that I own. This was a big wish that I had. I did not ever have a Chicago. So, y'all let me know what y'all think of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago, man. Please let me know. Comment. Y'all tell me what you think of this shoe. Is it worthy of shoe of the year for you? Was it the best shoe in 2022? I'm gonna let y'all decide. Y'all got my opinion on it. I think it was worthy of shoe of the year. It does top all the releases in 2022. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll be trying to post some more content for you guys. I will be rocking these, so y'all will see these on the page. Y'all will see these on the YouTube. I might do some shorts here soon. I'll let y'all know. Thank you. Real quick, last thing I want to leave y'all with. My homie hooked me up with this Air Jordan 1 Chicago's. Goes by the name of YJ. He's a rapper here in Houston, Texas. I'm going to put a link of his latest music video in the bio. Y'all check it out, man. Go and run that up. He's on Spotify, Apple. Love his music. Amazing guy. Y'all check that out. Peace.